Alright, Fuzz Pie Guy here. I had a couple people ask me how do I make my time lapses for my Ghost satellites. So we're just going to show you here quick. You could either use Lightroom or After Effects, or both if you want to import them into Lightroom and do some changes or whatnot, then export them, then import them into After Effects. But we're just going to use After Effects. So I copied over the images that I was just going to use for the purpose of this video. So I got 354 items in here. I try to keep this even, like 350, 325, 300, 400, and so on. But we can deal with 354. So in After Effects, first thing we need to do is click File, Import. Then we're just going to click on File because we don't want to do multiple ones. We just want to do one. So we'll select the folder that I had the images in. So we're just going to highlight one of them. Then we're going to import. Then we're going to force this to do alphabetical order so our images will be kind of in sequence of the ones that I was able to download to my Raspberry Pi. Then we're just going to hit import. So once this is imported, as you can see, it throws it over here in the project area. So we're just going to click on this and drag it down and do that. So it throws it down in here, and right here it is. Now if we go up here to composition and go to settings, as you can see, the pixel size is enormous. So to save space and everything else, we'll just do like 780 by 780. Then we'll do 30 frames. Then if you want to keep your background black, you can, or you can change it here. So maybe we'll just go with a red color here. And we can just do this if you want. You don't have to. We're just going to add a frame around it. So then what we have to do next is we want to pull in the image in here, the whole image into this box. So as you can see, I'm changing the percentage because too big enough that we can drag this in. So if you just click like on the corner and you just drag this in, then we'll up the size. So we'll drag it in a little bit more. Drag it in. Now we can let it go, say like that, with no frame or nothing, if you like that. Or if you just want to squeeze it in a little bit, that it's not going to affect anything really. We can just go like that, and then you'll have a little red frame around it. So after that, we're pretty much done. But we're going to add a watermark to this. So if you come down here and right click and put your cursor over new, then do text, it's going to open up another line here. Then we are just going to type in whatever you like. Try this again. Alright, so as you can see, there's my watermark. So what we're going to do is we'll just highlight this guy. Then we'll just make the font a little bit smaller. And if you put your cursor over that and hold it down and move it to the left or the right, it'll make your font bigger or smaller. Then we can bold this, and you can change the text to whatever, but we'll just let it on what it's on now. So we'll just move this down here. And I think that'll look good, because if we blow this up a little bit, as you can see, I think that'll work out all right. So we'll just let it go like that. So after we have that, what we're going to do is go up here to composition again. Then we're going to add this to the queue. Then we're going to click on that. Then you want to see where you want to save this at. So we'll just save it to that. And it's going to save it as an AVI file. So we're just going to save it to the desktop, and we're just going to let that alone. So now that it has a place to save, we're just going to go over here and click on render. So now it's going to go through all 354 images, as you can see right here. And this lets you know what image that it's on, and the estimated time, which changes. So I'll just pause the video here and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. So it finished rendering. So I went ahead and opened it up here. So here's the finished product. Now my computer's slowing up. This screen recorder I use, it really sucks up the CPU and stuff, so obviously it's not playing this video very well. But I'm going to upload this to my YouTube channel, so you'll be able to see it and the right speed other than it messing around. So there you go. But anyway, there it is, and that's how you do it. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.